Tips on being a polite student. Number 1, be tolerant. No one wants to feel like they are being judged, a bother, or intolerable. If you have an air of tolerance, people will think of you to be a kind, nice, and polite person. Number 2, apologize for your mistakes. If you say or do something that may be considered rude or embarrassing, then apologize, but don't overdo your apologies. Number 3, be punctual. If you have arranged to meet somebody at a certain time, make sure you are on time or even a few minutes early. If you are going to be late, let the other person or people know as far in advance as you can. Do not rely on feeble or exaggerated excuses to explain lateness. Respect other people's time and don't waste it. Number 4, learn to listen attentively. Pay attention to others while they speak. Do not get distracted mid-conversation and do not interrupt. Number 5, always use please and thank you. Make sure you thank people for their input or contribution and always include please when asking for something. If somebody offers you something, use yes please or no thank you. Number 6, dress appropriately. Always dress presentable. You want to establish positive grooming behaviors. Remember to wash your clothes often and wake up with enough time to throw on clean clothes and groom yourself. Number 7, use humor carefully. Aim not to cause any offense and know the boundaries of appropriate language for different situations. Number 8, use appropriate language. Be respectful of gender, race, religion, political viewpoints, and other potential controversial or difficult subjects. Do not make derogatory or potentially inflammatory comments. Number 9, say hello to people. Greet people appropriately. Gain eye contact and smile naturally. Shake hands or hug where appropriate, but say hello especially to colleagues and other people you see every day. Be approachable. Do not blame people just because you are having a bad day. Number 10, try to remember. Think about the other person and comment appropriately. Use their spouse name, their birthday, any significant events that have occurred in their life. Always be mindful of others' problems and difficult life events. Number 11, take time to make some small talk. Perhaps mention the weather or ask about the other person's family or talks about something that is in the news. Make an effort to engage in light conversation. Show some interest, but don't overdo it. Remain friendly and positive, and pick up on the verbal and non-verbal signal from the other person. Number 12, be assertive. When necessary, but respect the right of others to be assertive too.